Now this is an interesting question which tackles modern technology from a slightly different angle. Many questions about modern technology talk about the positive effects of modern tech on sport and entertainment and fair outcomes, etc. This one is coming from a slightly different approach. Here's the question. Identify 2 ways in which modern technology has limited or decreased entertainment in sport. So the focus then is on the limitation or the decrease of entertainment in sport. There's 2 marks for this, and as we know, 2 marks means we need to give 2 different points, 2 very different points. So my suggestion to this is that the first point you're going to make is that it is modern technology interrupts and delays play. So what do we mean by that? Let's give an example to show the examiners what we're talking about. Interruptions and delays in play. So if we have, let's use cricket for our example. If we have a potential LBW decision, the bowler bowls, hits the pad, they appeal, the fielding side appeal, the umpire gives the out signal, and then the batsman will decide to go for a review, give this signal, and then we need to go to the third umpire who will go through the process of seeing if it was not a no ball or not, if the ball was pitching in line, if it didn't pitch outside the leg stump. I know this is a bit specific to cricket, but they need to check if everything is right and whether, of course, the ball would have hit the stumps if it hasn't hit the bat before. So all of those things can lead to a delay in play. Another example could be in rugby, if a try has been scored or not. Often in rugby, both men's game and the ladies game, women's game, you know, there's a massive defense going on. Maybe a defender gets their hand underneath the ball to stop the ball being grounded either on the line or past the line, the try line, and so therefore technology has to play a part in deciding whether that was actually a try or not. And it can be really frustrating because it interrupts the play. Another example, which many of you may be familiar with, is VAR. Was it a goal or not? The player, the attacker, scored the goal. Was it offside or not? Was there foul play, etc.? Was there a clear and obvious mistake that the referee had made? All of these are interruptions and delays in play, which can lead to a decrease in entertainment. You may have found yourself thinking, come on, let's just get on with it. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. And that's our first point. Now, the second point is potentially a little bit controversial, and if you don't agree with me, that is absolutely fine. But this is something which the exam boards have cited as being a potential mark scorer. You get credit for this, and that, as you can see here, is reducing live attendances of matches. So what we're saying here, what the exam boards are saying, is that because technology is so proficient really at entertaining at home, then you know, you can watch it on Sky Sports, you can watch it on BT Sport, which is now TNT Sport, you can watch it on BBC, ITV, Eurosport, etc. Do you need to go to the game? And because of that, potentially, it reduces the number of people who are attending live matches.